Hi again, this is Miss Lourdes, and in this video we'll be creating a character or two. So this is how our end result looks. Let's begin. So first I'm going to use a blue colored pencil to make a sort of skeleton for our first character. So let's draw a circle for the head and a line for the neck. Then an upside down triangle for the top part of the body. And a smaller upside down triangle under that for the hips where we will be drawing the legs. Next, let's draw some lines for the legs, making sure to add where the knee is and the feet. And draw where the arms will go. I decided to make this character with their arms holding their hips. Let me darken that a bit so that you can see it a bit better. Alright, next we will be drawing each part of the character over the skeleton with a regular graphite pencil. Let's start with the head. And then down to the neck. I just added a little ear there. And then where the body is, I'm going to start drawing the shirt, so just follow along. Alright, after we draw the shirt, let's move on to the arms, using the lines that you already drew as a guide. And this character's hands will be curved backwards, so the fingers will be curved backwards. And next we will move on to the pants. Remember to add the little corner where the knee is. And then the shoes. You can make the shoes pretty simple just like these, or you can try to make them more complicated if you like. Next we can add a bit more detail, so we can move on to the hair. I decided this character will have short hair. A circle for the nose. And then the eyes. And a smile. For more detail, you can add the zipper on the pants and also the pockets. And maybe this character is extremely happy to be in science camp. So let's draw a planet on his shirt. Let's draw a planet that looks like Saturn. did it. That's our first character. Alright, for our next character, we'll basically do the same type of skeleton. This time we will be drawing something a bit different. This person will be excited, so this character will be jumping up and down. So just follow along. Alright, and once we're done with the skeleton, let's go right into drawing the head first with our graphite pencil. Next, we will draw the shirt and some shorts. Then moving on to the legs. A tip for drawing legs is that the back of the leg is always curved, and then the front of the leg is always a straight line. Next, let's move on to the arms. And the 5 fingers. And then we can move on to the face. This character is going to be extremely happy, so I'm going to make the eyes a bit closed and curved. The nose and a big smile. And I think for this one I'm going to do long hair, so just follow along. And let's pretend this person really loves math and their favorite number is the number 4. Alright, moving on to our last character. This character will be a bit shorter than the others, and we'll draw it using the same steps as the others, so just follow along. I decided that this character will have a long sleeve shirt. And let's pretend that this character really loves baseball and they're probably at a baseball game, so I'm drawing a baseball cap for them. And the opposing team just hit a home run, so they're gonna look extremely surprised. And their favorite player just so happens to be lucky number 7. And that's it. Those are our 3 characters for this video. Oh, and don't forget to color in your characters. Hope you had fun. See you next time.